How to activate your Chase Bank debit card. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to activate your debit card on the Chase Bank. Go ahead and open up your web browser or the Chase application if you have it, and simply search for chase.com. Once you get to the Chase's official website, you can just open it up, go to chase.com, and log into your account. You have an option called Sign In at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. You'll be taken directly to the sign in page. Now once you sign into your account, you'll have an option called Cards right up on your home screen, and you're just going to have to press on the card option. There you'll find all of the options to track and activate your card. So go ahead and select which card you want to activate. Then you're going to have to enter its expiration date. And under the activate card button right here, you just have to simply go ahead and enter the card information and then tap on activate card. Now it will show you that you can start using your card right away. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically activate your debit card on the Chase Bank. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.